So let's do a couple of problems from WebAssign, section 1.4. The first one is going to be number 7. Once again, you may not get the exact same question because WebAssign gives slightly different questions to different people, but it should be really similar. X to the second plus x minus 12. Okay, no problem. I have a trinomial. On the denominator, I have x to the second minus x minus 12. Another trinomial times 4 minus x over 4 plus x. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to factor the numerator of the first term, which is going to be x plus 4, x minus 3 all over x minus 4, x plus 3. That's times. I'm going to factor -1 from numerator. So I have x minus 4. Notice that -1 times x gives me minus x, and -1 times -4 gives me positive 4. So, I didn't change anything. Over 4 plus x, which is the same as x plus 4. Now, x plus 4 nicely cancels x plus 4. X minus 4 cancels x minus 4. So this equals to, here I do have a -1 in here. So I have -1 or minus x minus 3 over x plus 3. And that's good enough. We can't really simplify it anymore. Next problem is number 16. Number 16, section 1.4, WebAssign. What is it that I have? I have 8x to the -1 plus 8y to the -1 all over 5 times x plus y to the -1. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. Notice that 8 times x to the -1 is nothing other than 8 over x plus 8 over y all over 5 over x plus y. Okay. Now, let me go to the next page. So we have 8 over x plus 8 over y over 5x plus y. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the top and bottom of this complex fraction by LCD of the whole thing, which is going to be x times y times x plus y. And so x times y times x plus y. Okay. When I multiply the top, the first term, the x cancels out. So I'm left with 8 times y x plus y plus 8 times y cancels out, x times x plus y all over. This times x plus y cancels out, so I have 5 times x, y. Okay, now all I have to do is just to multiply this through and simplify it. And there are 2 ways to do that. One way is to just right away factor out an 8. So that's going to be, go to the next page. If I factor out an 8 from the numerator, then I have 8 times y times x plus y plus x times x plus y all over 5 times x, y. And so here this equals to 8 times bracket xy plus y to the second plus x to the second plus xy all over 5xy. And this is the same as saying 8 times. I'm going to write this x squared in front. That's my habit. And I have xy here and xy here. So I have plus 2xy. And I have a y squared in here. So plus y to the second, or y squared, all over 5xy. And I'm going to notice that actually x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is factorable. Going to the next page, so this equals to 8 times. Factoring the numerator gives me x plus y quantity squared over 5xy. And that is as good as it gets. Have a nice day.